Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this easy and beautiful lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, lady jacket, and also you can knit this in your lady shawl. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 9 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 9 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 9 plus 9, 2 times 9 18, and plus 2 edge stitch, sorry 2 extra stitch 20, and 2 edge stitch 22. So row 1 right side, knit your first edge stitch. This is your edge stitch, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, yarn over purl wise. The next stitch is going to be purl, so yarn over purl wise, bring the yarn in front, and purl wise, yarn over purl wise, and then purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2, and then purl 3 together, 1 2 3, purl these 3 together like so, and then purl 2 again, 1 2, and then yarn over knitwise, yarn in back, yarn over knitwise. The next stitch is going to be knit, so yarn over knitwise. So that's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over, purl 2, purl 3 together, purl 2, and yarn over knitwise, right? Here yarn over purl wise, and here yarn over knitwise. So repeat that again. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over purl wise, and in front, yarn over purl wise, purl 2, purl 3 together, 1 2 3, purl 3 together, purl 2, and then yarn over knitwise like so. So we have done 2 repeats here, from here to here 2 repeats, and your last 3 stitch, 2 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 2, and your edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. We have done row 1 and row 2 here. Now row 3. For row 3, knit all stitches. Slip your edge stitch and knit all stitches. Row 4, last row, purl all stitches. Slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and purl all stitches. So that's the repeat we have done. One repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.